It's me, full Zebra fan Eevee, and Eli the cat fan. Back again with another video, and it's the Paw Patrol sneeze compilation this time. I'll talk like the pups. Don't want to make a long intro, but I don't own copyright. Let's do this.
Need you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help.
Sky!
I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This pup's gonna...
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I had to stay here, huh?
But your little smell's turning me into a
big sneezer.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me. Achoo!
Chase is on the...
Achoo!
Excuse me.
Achoo!
On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no!
This pup's gonna...
You.
Woo! Wow. Do we have to? Who needs a drink?
Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close. Oops. Sorry. Gesundheit.
Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your
Zuma.
bully. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to... Open up.
Zuma's
Zuma's
car
gonna go too. If I'm ill, I better chill. I'm a little allergic to peppers. Hey! Uh-oh. Huh?
No, let's see if we can find out what's
going on. Excuse me. Another one?
Oh, wait, that was way closer to the...
danger zone.
What if I sneeze
and scare her? Uh-oh.
That
tickles my nose. Cut! Sorry, Suman's tail tickled my nose. Alright, let's go, go, go! So, I'll be uploading this video to YouTube. So, I'll see you on my next video. We're going to do this video again, but Vincent is going to talk like the pups. Oh, well, look at the time. I gotta get going. Green means go!